this new guy Nick here with Johnjay and Rich, and I'm here with Olivia for another Chainsaw Wake Up. I got Olivia and Ben both here. Who are we scaring today?
We are getting my husband because he gets me all the time and I'm ready for the ultimate revenge.
Ben, are you ready?
Yep.
Just say, let's do it.
What?
All right, we're going. Let's go. Good morning.
Good morning.
Was this a nice surprise this morning?
Yeah, it was good.
Love you.
Me too.
This isn't like a normal morning though, right?
No.
All right. Well, thanks so much. Happy Halloween. Love up. All right, Olivia, how do you think it went?
I think it went good. We got him.
We did.
I mean, how do you think it went?
Went good. I wasn't expecting it. I was kind of expecting it, but wasn't expecting it. So,